Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds torque. This one has 18-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Pedal shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This GLA has 27,929 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.